This is gonna be an update on my cat Everest. Since the last video, I've done I've upgraded a lot. I changed the body to an axial body. I got 1.9 super swampers on B-lock rims. I've changed the servo to a Tower Pro servo. I've changed the receiver and the radio to a Ghoul RC setup. It's a 3-channel. It works really good. It works good. I'm still running the stock battery and stock speed controller. I'm running a 25 turn Tamiya torque tune motor in it. That's about all I've done so far. There's gonna be more upgrades for this pretty soon on my channel. I'm gonna be building it into a scaler pretty soon. So stay updated for that.